It's day 3 of the journey. I'm very tired, but there's so much to see. I'm right now in Florence, very excited. And Florence is also making it so tough not to be outside. The weather is amazing. It's a little cold, but not too cold. You already saw the videos from the last night. The last night was beautiful because it was raining a little, and I think it's gonna be beautiful today also. As you can see, Florence is as beautiful as it was in the night. I don't know how they did it. The architectures we have seen here are like 600 to 700 years old, and they are like the highest building in Florence. Time to say goodbye to Florence. It's been time. Arrivederci. And it's beautiful, but not as good as other cities we're going to travel now. Got a train right now from SM Novella. We're going there. Florence is at the back, and we are going to Venice right now. So it's day 3, we are in Venice finally. After a train ride, it was raining a little, but the city is beautiful right now. I thought like I'm getting good photos, but this city is photogenic, and you can see like everything is so beautiful right now. And there are like bridges and canal and everywhere. After you come out of the station, all you do is you go to a boat ride, and then you go to different parts of the city. We had 2 stations to go, and then there's another station where we had to stop, and there's a bridge. This is so awesome. This is like totally different experience. You can't experience this anywhere else in the world. It's just a city built on a river, and you just ride the river every time you need to go somewhere. It's like a road to this city, and yeah, you can't just experience it anywhere else in the world. And this is Venice for you. Stop for the boat. We stop here, people will get on the boat, and then we'll continue our journey. So these are like the bus stops. Still beautiful as the night is coming, the day is down, the sunset time I guess, the clouds are still there, but it's just amazing. It's getting more beautiful as the lights are coming out. still raining, and you can see the gondolas behind me. I think I will see the best of them when it's morning, but right now that's all you can see behind me. And there are like a lot of domes, a lot of architecture. I don't know what time it is, but these are pretty old, I'm pretty sure of it. And it's getting lit up and it's amazing. It's beautiful. I'm just in love with this city. Kind of market right now. I don't know what this place is. I just got out, it's night time, and it's a beautiful place. Everything here is so grand. I mean, I'm just in love with the city. I'm saying this again and again, but I love the city.